Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add indicators to your chart on MT4 or MT5. It's actually very simple. Let's say you want to add indicators, either moving averages or RSI or whichever indicator you want to add to your chart. You can just use either of these two simple methods. So the first method you can use is to tap on this F icon at the top of your screen. This F icon beside the plus sign. Once you tap on it, it will bring you directly to the indicators list. Then you're going to select whichever indicator you want to add to your chart. So let's say I want to add relative strength index, RSI. You tap on RSI, it brings you to this setting. Whichever way you want to tweak it, or you could just leave it like this. Done. So as you can see, RSI has been added to my chart. So this is one way you can add indicators. Let's say I want to add a moving average. You tap on the plus sign. Sorry, you tap on the F sign beside this plus sign. Once you tap on it, it will bring you here. You will now say on the main chart, I want to add this indicator to the main chart window, not the indicator window. If you tap on the indicator window, let's tap on the indicator window, and let's say I'm adding Bollinger Bands. Done. It will add it to the indicator window, as you can see below here. But say you want to add moving averages to the main chart, you tap on this F. Let's first of all delete these Bollinger Bands I just added. Delete. So you tap this plus on the main chart. Once you tap on it, it will bring you here. You select moving averages. Moving averages. Once you tap on it, let's say you want to just done. So as you can see, it has added I mistakenly added one, so let's go and delete it. Delete. Right, so as you can see, it has added this red moving average on my chart. So this is the first method, very simple and easy. Let me go back and delete all of them. You tap on the F sign, you tap on this waste bin sign at your top right, you select the ones you want to delete, tap on delete, it deletes all of them. So the second method that you can use to add whichever indicator you want to use is to tap on your screen, let this circle come up. Once the circle comes up, you can tap on this F down here. You can tap on this F right here. It will still bring you here to the indicators page. So once you're here, you can now add whichever indicator you want to add. You can see all the list of all the various indicators that are available. Let's say we want to add fractals. Tap on it. You change the setting if you want to. If you want to leave it at default, you leave it like this. Click done. Now it has been added to your chart. You can see the fractals, these tiny arrow like dots. So as simple as that. So it's actually that simple. So that's the way you can add. Those are the two methods you can add indicators to your forex chart on MT4 or MT5. The same method. So I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers and God bless.